Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to save money on flights, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily find the best drop prices using the Skyscanner mobile app. This feature helps you spot the cheapest travel dates based on your departure city or airport. Let's get started. First, open the Skyscanner app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom menu and tap on the option called Drops. Then click on Pick Departure City. After that, enter your city or airport name in the search bar. Skyscanner will automatically provide suggestions as you type. Once done, tap on your chosen city or airport from the list. Finally, Skyscanner will display drop prices that are currently available, depending on the departure city or airport you selected. And that's it. Now you know how to track flight deals and price drops directly from your mobile. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and app tutorials. See you next time.